I bet you didn't know how easy it is to become a Chrome security superhero. Hi everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow, which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits from our organization go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Ever heard of malware monsters? They're lurking, but we've got the ultimate toolkit to zap them away. Imagine your computer as your personal fortress. Walls strong, guards alert, but sometimes a sneaky malware monster tries to slip in. It could steal your data, slow down your computer, or worse. But fear not. First up, let's talk Chrome spring cleaning. Click those three dots in the top right corner, head to settings, then privacy and security. Hit clear browsing data. Boom! Bye-bye cookies and history. Don't worry, these cookies aren't the tasty kind. Next, let's tackle extensions. Click settings, then extensions. See any you don't recognize? Kick them out. Just click the puzzle piece icon and remove. Now keep Chrome updated. Updates are like superhero suit upgrades. Go to settings, then about Chrome. If there's an update, hit relaunch. Finally, let's talk privacy. Go to settings, then privacy and security. Adjust safe browsing and permissions for your perfect privacy blend. And there you have it. With these steps, you've leveled up to a Chrome security superhero. Like, comment, and subscribe for more digital adventures. Stay safe and keep leveling up.